Stop by and take a look at the 2020 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, overhead console, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.